Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy sprinkle backdrop for your upcoming celebration. Here we go. If you're looking for party ideas, a sprinkle party or a donut party is a very easy thing to make. And I'm going to show you how to make an easy backdrop for your upcoming party. So let's get started. The most affordable way to make this backdrop is to make it on a bare wall. You can just glue your balloons with a low temperature gun on the wall and nothing to it. Very easy. But if you don't have the room, the best thing to do is to buy a flat sheet. This is a king size flat sheet from Walmart. And what I'm going to do next is pretty much just open it up. And at the very top, I am going to build a pocket that I'm going to use to pull my pole of my stands through. And it doesn't have to be a king size. You can buy a twin size, full size, queen size. I just like to make my backdrops as wide as possible. And for flat sheets, you can buy them on their own. You don't have to buy the whole set. For a king size, for this one was $14.99, okay? So I'm going to let the white hem of the top of the sheet guide me. So I'm going to fold it right there, and I'm just going to go ahead and glue it all the way down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and iron the entire sheet, and I'll be right back. Whew. That was a good 35 minutes of my life. Now let's go to the next step. I'm going to be using twist and shape balloons to make my sprinkles, and I'm going to be blowing them up with my balloon pump and gluing them on with a low temperature hot glue gun. All right, so I'm just going to place the balloon on the tip of the pump, bring it in there, and then I'm just going to start pumping air. All right. I like to make it a little bigger and then let a little bit of air out. That's about a good size. And then I'm going to tie this end. And then I'm also going to tie the other end. And then I'm going to cut this off. And there I have my sprinkle. Okay guys, this is it. This is my sprinkle backdrop that you can use for pretty much any occasion. It is so easy to make and very affordable. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so right here, right now. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of my sprinkle backdrop, and leave me a comment anyway, because I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And don't forget to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or family member that's looking for ideas for their next party, make sure to share with them at the end of this video. Until next time, bye.